I'm Kevin Boone, and this is my 2-second lean. This setup here is our kit for banding material molds to pallets, banding it down, secure it safely. This little bin here is where all of our components are. We also formerly carried all of our tools that we need in this same compartment, and they didn't stay very well. They would fall when we would move it. They would fall out. We would have to pick them up. So my 2-second lean, I secured with zip ties a second bin that will carry our tools while we move it around the shop. And there you have it.